SAT test number 3, doing questions 10 to 14 on the math calculator section. Alright, let's see, questions 10 and 11 refer to the following information. The chart above shows the approximations of the accelerations due to gravity in meters per second squared for the 8 planets in our solar system. The weight of an object on a given planet can be found by using the formula W equals mg, where W is the weight of the object measured in newtons, m is the mass of the object measured in kilograms, and g is the acceleration due to gravity on the planet measured in meters per second squared. What is the weight in newtons of an object on Mercury with a mass of 90 kilograms? Alright, so we know the equation is W is equal to mg. We're given 90 kilograms. Now we just have to find g. So if you look at the graph or the table, g in this case would be 3.6 for Mercury. So it would be 90 times 3.6. Which is 324. Alright, an object on Earth has a weight of 150 newtons. On which planet would the same object have an approximate weight of 170 newtons? Alright, so we just have to find, we have the weight, we know what g is for Earth, so we have to find the mass of that object. So 150 is equal to the mass of the object times 9.8. So the mass of the object is 150 divided by 9.8, which is 15.3 kilograms. Now we just have to plug this in to another instance of the equation to get to find the acceleration of gravity, because the acceleration due to gravity is the identifier for which planet it is. So let's figure out what g is. So we know 170 is the weight. We know the mass. Now we just have to find g. Once we know g, we'll know which planet it is. So 170 divided by 15.3 is equal to 11.11. So it is Saturn. Question 12. If the function f has 5 distinct zeros, which of the following could represent the complete graph of f in the xy plane? We just have to see 5 instances where the graph crosses the x-intercept or touches the x-intercept. So 1, 2, 3, 4, nope. 1, 2, 3, 4, nope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, nope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. This is 14. We're on 12, so we're on 13 now. The equation above gives the height h in feet of a ball t seconds after it is thrown straight up in an initial speed with an initial speed of v feet per second from a height of k feet. Which of the following gives v in terms of h, t, and k? So we have to isolate v. Okay, so h is equal to negative 16t squared plus vt plus k. So what I do is I always move all the constants that are attached via subtraction or addition to the other side. So h, let's move minus 16t to the other side, so plus 16t squared, and then move the k to the other side, so minus k is equal to vt. Now just divide all of that by t. So v is equal to h plus 16t squared minus k divided by t. Well, that's not one of the answers because it actually expects us to simplify the answer a little bit more. So we have this t here. So this is the same as, so we can separate the 16t squared over t. So it'll be h minus k over t plus 16t squared over t, right? Which is equal to h minus k over t plus 16 over t, because we just, just cancel the t's out, cancel one of the t's out, so this is gone. So it'd be h minus k over t plus 16. H minus k over t plus, oh yeah, plus 16t. I'm so sorry, plus 16t. Right? H minus k, yes. Okay, the cost of using a telephone in a hotel meeting is 0.2 or 20 cents per minute. Which of the following equations represents the total cost C for H hours of phone use? Alright, so it's 20 cents per minute. So 1 minute, so there's 60 minutes in an hour. So if we have 1 hour, so it'd be 20 cents times 60, so it'd be A. This doesn't make sense. 60 hours. I mean, you can always try like plugging some numbers in. Let's say you use the phone for 1 hour, right? So if you use a phone for 1 hour, then you would use 0.2 times, so 20 cents times 60 minutes. So you would use $10, and wait, so you would use 0.2 times 60, or 0.2 times 60. You use $12, right? That's how much it would cost. So it's 0.2 times 60 times 1 equal to 12, yes. Is 60, let's try it for C. So 60 times 1 over 0.2 is not equals to 60 divided by 0.2 is equal to 300. This would charge you $300, so this is a scam. And then 0.2 times 1 divided by 60 is equal to 0.003, so barely charges you anything. So that would be nice, but that's not. So it has to be 14.